Jamaican. Lolo.
Yes, Daddy.
Daddy?
I wonder for evening.
You know what I'm saying? True, we here say water go, so we are good on a standpipe, go catch some water just to cool. And the pan bus.
Come in, man, because we don't want the food cold. Come in. Yeah, man, go and wait till the food before it cold. Go on, hurry. And then I pick them off already and then I'll wait for a second. Hurry up, go on.
Hey, listen, give me some money there. Give me some money there.
What amount of money you want?
$1,000 a head, me done telling already. $1,000 a head.
Alright, see mine here.
Who else? Who else?
Don't have any change of here?
No ATM no there. I don't want to go lavish and no money. I say no hot, yeah. Alright, 4,000, you see?
So me can get $500 back out of my $1,000.
Candy, why me forget $500 back?
So, sister, what we are going to do right now?
The rubber skinny fan go do the normal, that's it.
Alright, come in now. Alright, no. Daddy not giving up for eating now.
You gotta kill me, master.
Alright. I go pick the one day, sister. Be sure on it. Sister, you get the can? Let me get a piece of this on here. Take a piece of this on here. You can't take the one there, sister.
Oh, yo. Oh, yes. Yeah, don't run. You hear me tell you? Don't run.
Don't run. We not run. I want
You
man
plant
give me
anything
cane.
over here?
I man give me cane.
Me I ask you a question.
Yeah.
You plant anything over here?
No, you know, so we just there hungry and we say we are come pick one cane.
Hungry up backside. The cane not even ready as yet. Look at you guys eating. You got? Eh? You know that anything that haven't been given to you, Tuffy Chocho, it's called stealing. It's considered stealing.
Stealing a concrete.
Hey boy, you see if I ever chop you from left to right,
You want me to king?
hey, it's better on the come out on my side, Tuffy Chocho, you know. You know, come off of my property before I chop you from left to right, for sure. Out of that. Hey, sure. The cane them not all ready as yet. Sure.
You understand? I'm not gonna leave me for no reason.
Yo, what to know?
Daddy, you boy can't lick me. Your boy man skinny can't lick me. Just look at for no reason with my shit. I don't believe I can ask sister.
What you mean some masking?
I'm asking, and Mrs. Masking don't slap sister on him, but you did my shit.
True, daddy.
No man, hold on. Me have to really good on there because skinny no right to lick no. Me no give him no authority. I'm matter of fact, me no give nobody no authority to lick no. So me a good, a matter of fact, one did that do down the stuff him asking lick.
You know what's about with the go play with the youth them up on the top road cause the boy them a play cricket up there and the ball lick over him and we go feet at the man and come play so we pick cane.
You know what, come in our house, cause me go deal with skinny about this. You right about you lick no. I'm on the pack.
this is a fish place at the border and we never left Westmoreland yet. So we're just gonna get some fish. I have a good friend over here. I'm going to talk to her. I'm going to get a deal for you see? I'm gonna get some fish and stuff. Alright?
Okay.
Nice fish, man. And they come on the door, come out and let me say it's not a nice place. Don't come out. Is it much for your fish shop?
6.5 for this now.
6.5?
Yeah, man.
And that's the best deal?
Yeah, alright, we give you for 6.
Alright, no worries, sir. No worries, sir. Are they coming, see?
Yes.
What and drinks? Coconut
You are going to get a deal for the fish, them, you see? Him say at 12,000 feet, but me get a deal. Him say if you just give 10.
Balance.
10,000. So just give me the money.
Me no want no fish, me no want no money.
So you don't want no fish? Alright, make sure so you don't give him no fish when you come and see. It's said why kill him raw, please.
Village liar. You sure you know where you go?
Listen, you know much people make your pan trip. When you been here, ask me, I'm still gonna take the drive.
For one lonely straight road. And that is no white line in there, nothing at all. And when me look on the place, me never see this place.
Oh, we not reach yet.
Listen, we're so rich, man. We're so rich. I know where you're going.
You know from what time we leave, I know we still a drive like, you don't know which part you can go.
Listen to me, no Miss Candy. Just like how everybody else around here have confidence in me. Just believe in me, man. This is where we're going. In here, so they're everybody. They're everybody. In here. Listen, man, I know this road.
This look like a dead end.
A people yard.
No, man. When we go around the corner there, we reach. When we
Look on that corner there. You look like you have no further to go on this road there. You carry in a bush like, no, me not understand. Me need to turn back now. Me no want go on the river. Me no bother. Turn back. You can turn back, please.
Alright, so this is it. We never get foot on the river, so this is a nice little place in St. Elizabeth. My aunt own over that side and my cousin own over that side. Wanna come out now? I can take a look, man. Come out. Man Skinny.
Who that?
Mr. Brown, man, come here, I want to talk to you.
Mr. Brown. Boy, come there. There at the backside. What a bombshell for throw. Just there up on the farm, I go and, deal with some local thing. What's going on, man? I was planning to come by you the other day, Yes, because I want to talk to you about your kids.
Hold on. Hold on. You want to talk to me about my kids, them?
Yes, they came on my farm and destroyed my farm. And you know what, though? All the time I come here, my mango them missing. Sometimes all my animal them missing. I lose a good kid the other day. I don't want to accuse the kids them, because I know you, Mr. Brown.
Hold on. Let me get this clear. I made it on the same page.
Sure.
You said then thief your mango and then thief.
No, I didn't say they thief my mango, I said my mango missing, but I caught them on my farm. If it was somebody else, they would chop them in pieces,
Hold on. I noticed not to up on your farm and be a bush me and see, but listen what I go on. Hold on, listen what I say. I want to know who give authority. If you beat me, pick them, and beat them in a manner how you beat them, nearly kill them.
Mr. Brown, me beat your kids?
What you mean, sir?
Mr. Brown, listen to me. From you know me, you ever hear me I put my hand on anybody kids?
Listen, Sandokan and Lulu tell me, say, you beat them with machete, and I'm lucky somebody save them.
For true.
Listen, man.
Them damn.
I just true me know, why me no carry them gas station and press charge,
So, let me ask you a question. If me they put me hand on them, then say me beat them with what? What me beat them with?
Machete.
Then you must see the machete mark on them. Or would you like me to beat you with the machete now and see if there's gonna be mark? Mr. Brown, come on, man. You're a big man,
you know what? Me and now gonna have that conversation again, Me just want to ensure so when you see me youth them,
yes,
you see them on the left, you take it right. Simple as that. Me no want me in a no confrontation, but me youth them again. And me wanna mind them and take care of them,
Mr. Brown, I want you to warn your kids to stay off my property. Me go and put electrical component on the property, and go and shut them to death.
Not the point property but bush.
Because every time I plant my crop, by the time them fi start sprout, so and mark that so fi throw. I saw them come. You want to see how the piece of cane me see with them in their mouth?
Alright.
Them hungry and if you feed them, them, and me go and put current on that property and it go and shut them to death. If you don't stand up and watch your pitney them, then go and turn one crook in a life. You know, see how Andrew Holiness I deal with them now.
Alright, Mr. Skinny. Alright. You make your point if you say then pick your things, but only thing I want to ensure say, don't let me pick them. Don't let
Mr. Brown, stop accusing me of hurting your child's, our children's, our kids.
Alright, you know what? Me now continue the conversation with you, Because me just ensure say, I'm a matter of fact,
True.
me go see me move them out of the community, because uno in the community are bad mind.
Don't mix me. You ever see me sit on a roadside drinking rum?
Me don't know where
and having conversation.
I don't know what you're doing in your spare time, Mr. Skinny.
So what me do? Plant me corn and me mango tree them and me cane and me sour sap. And me plant me things in the Chicago market.
You see, that's why God not like ugly, and that's why you don't get no pitney. You're 46 and you don't get no pitney. God know what I do.
Yes, because when me plant me things and for my property fi strong up my back. I saw you and your friend them and your pitney them where I grow. Thief. Them thief no bombshell, so fi throw.
Lolo, Sandokan, wanna come here? I saw me grow your fair your pants on your body.
You know what I say? Actually, your lace pull out, daddy. Your lace pull out, I'm sure.
Alright. Pull up your pants, man.
Alright.
Me just a come from a mask in the yard.
Yes, daddy.
Zane?
Yes, daddy.
Because me go ask him why him have to beat you know, and me no give him no authority for lick you know. And me get to understand say him say him no lick you know, I go down and farm, go broke him cane. How that go?
Daddy, you remember Mas Jabo? Miss Jabo? The Rasta man there, him turn to skinny and say, Daddy, in father go boss head. And that's why I come with him in light tongue because you know what a bossy head, daddy. Bossy head for we.
So you mean to tell me say somebody see when skinny a beat you know and not do nothing about it?
He do something about it, daddy. In box skinny. Cause skinny I come go on like say he can't bother up everybody in our community. Cause from yesterday no, daddy, one man when he rain cram. You where did I plant the flowers them over here at the there? Yeah, at them at him conky me on in the head. Cause he might talk about how much him have broomstick can beat him father too.
And a ring from him name that they ring sham.
So hold on, so how now never say nothing to me about this?
Daddy, yes when we get a lick, daddy, we could do nothing more than come over and consider and ball. And you see tears in my eye too, daddy. Me not tell no lie.
Alright, you all go on now. You see true me no want nobody else take this advantage out in our community. Me go send no go down and no uncle go stay for a while.
Which one of them, daddy?
Down a village, liar.
Alright, daddy, cause me go get no food there.
My favorite uncle.
Yes, we go send down there.
Yeah, daddy. You want to go down there? Long time did you want to tell you want to go down there?
Go on and go get to the things them and come back. Go on and pack up the clothes and
Daddy,
come.
but me did say me do you want go phone or swim class, but me not but I go. Me I use them clothes there, when me put in a bag and go at that uncle.
Alright, go on for no things, go on.
You've heard.
Alright. So you what? Me never call an uncle and tell him say me send him down there no. So when no go down there, I wanna see him, just tell him somebody I try call him phone and me never did I get him. So when just spend a little while down there, when he get tired of you, I'm ready for him, me send phone. Here?
Daddy. So, you know, so we don't have no money to do, so we are going to use.
When you go on, me have no money if you go no, so just see if you can beg drive.
Daddy, but the last boy we big child, we not hear from him and I want a few classmate too.
No man, you have your sister have you. You protect him and him protect you. Alright? When you go on.
So daddy, hold on, before we go, cause we want to say a lot.
Alright. Me not give you no money, you know. If you pay no fear, and buy one back juice and share it to her.
Daddy.
So me give it to your sister, because your sister a bigger one.
Daddy, me are the bigger one, daddy. You come like you don't remember me age.
Alright, alright, me give you brother, he might bigger one. Alright.
Yes, daddy.
Alright, later, love you know. Alright?
See him so too.
No, where are the dog?
Daddy, you saw me see for your shirt and me brush you off. I'm 40 leg.
Go on.
Love your father. The money can be more.
Go on.
So you know your way?
No, sister, but anybody we see, we ask them.
Man, you say help up to me. I come tell that the boy a digger.
That's you too tall, my guy. That's your face, you bigger than me.
So you're fat. Alright, is this some money now?
Mm-hmm.
Go spend it. We go walk.
What?
Walk, we go walk, you know.
Alright, so what if we...
Journey. So walk and can't reach where we have to go.
Sister. Right now, I'm tired. You know what? No, we should see somebody we don't care.
I'm thirsty. They don't talk about that.
Hello, miss.
Hi there.
Hello.
You know what? You know, you ever see me before?
No, it's the first time I've been seeing you guys.
Me look for my uncle around here, or me used to live around here.
What your uncle name?
Village lawyer.
Village Liar. Are you your uncle?
Yeah.
Are you too? So what your name?
My name Sandokan.
And what's your name?
My name Lulu, madam.
Lulu Madam. Okay, so me never know say Village Liar have different nephew and nieces from the one them we did know already.
Yeah,
But him a go on with things, man.
yeah, cause a lot of we know around 57.
57. That's a lot.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So him expect you know?
Yes, miss, but guess what? We are surprised him with one gift card today and birthday.
Anyway, I wanna come from.
We come from run one part, run one area around this, so cause we don't remember the place, cause we just moved come there.
What's your name?
Sandokan.
And what is your name?
Lulu, Mr. My name.
No, me forgot. So me need to make sure say you know. Unrelated to Village Liar because me know him. I me need to know no name and make sure say I no lie no they tell.
Please remember, Sandokan and Lulu.
Okay, no problem. You no look like you no hungry though. You no want something to eat?
Yeah, cause right now we're tired of our we run one part where I walk from.
Oh my God. You haven't eaten from morning?
Last week.
From last week? Really?
Yes, miss. And you know, the funniest thing about it, my father give me $10,000 for share. Our madman she we and beat we and take it. Right now, she cut the from my foot. Where there? Where there?
Madman?
Yeah, see there.
Lord
See
have
there, miss?
mercy.
Cut for sure. And,
Jesus.
and to me not have key like skin better quick.
So why a madman look and uno and just take away uno money so? Uno related to mad people?
No, we there walk by ourselves and when madman say, who this? Give me some money. I say, we don't have no money.
Anyway, no worry. Don't worry about it. Come let me get something for you guys to eat. Okay. Yeah. I can't believe someone no eat from last week.
Yeah.
So how no survive?
Water and just people mango off a tree.
Lord Jesus.
And with teeth.
Oh God. A wickedness. Come, I go buy shop. Come and get something going to eat. No hungry, oh God.
It's the one that found good eat it.
Must be the ones for she kind way you think.
Maybe I look something very
Sir.
Uncle Rich.
Anybody inside? Okay, can I get a bag juice? You have bag juice?
No.
Okay. Do you have chubby? Can you give me a chubby and a bulla, please? Thanks.
So about the cheese, miss?
Little girl. Okay, thank God it's finished. No cheese is not there. And little girl, me just try to help you out because I sound no hungry and not eat from last week. So it's what me can afford. I am going to buy and give to you guys, okay?
Yeah, butter?
Yeah.
So what me gonna eat with the bulla?
Hello. I no think problem that. I shop your day. You know there, yeah.
This me not drink banana soda.
Okay, can you just change the flavor for me, please, and thanks. Can I get a cup?
Grape or champagne, yeah, sir. Me not drink that.
Champagne.
Yeah.
That's right.
Butter.
I'm just start sweet.
Thank you. How much for it?
200.
Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Here. Your parents not teaching no manners.
Oh, miss, we never remember.
Give me back the cup. You're too out of order. Here you go.
Thank you, miss.
You're welcome. Here.
Thanks, madam.
You're welcome.
Miss. Okay. Go.
I say can never things overly.
You see, you act like you know sensible and I know say you're smart, you know. Hold this.
Why do you have to use the back in?
So, him older than you?
Yeah.
Which one is the biggest one?
And the biggest one.
You take the biggest piece.
Me are the big one. Me are 27. I'm at 15.
Hold this.
Miss, wait. Let me drink out some first.
Why you must not eat from last week, Fichu? Me I wonder how you keep it up and you sound like you're greedy.
No, I'm on the broccoli instead. Take this.
Miss, give me some more.
Hold this. Little girl, drink this and then this share for you and your brother again.
Alright.
You need more again?
There.
Why you greedy? At 2 times you give her and she only get 1 time. Here, have some more. But you're not supposed to get no more now. This no. You're too greedy. She bigger than you.
She don't pick me. Me have my idea material ready.
Anyway, I'm not gonna go so far in a care in an ID business. Listen to me. Me know village lawyer very well. Me can show you where him live. You want me to show you guys where he's living? Okay. What happened to you? Come knock your brother back.
Actually, greedy.
Okay, come on, let's go. The sun hot, I'm ready to go about my business now. Come on, go show you which part village lawyer live. Put me in my head top. Take it out.
No.
Okay, thank you. Let's go.
You're nice though.
Thank you very much. Come and show me where village lawyer live. I'm a friend and I know him for a long time. He live down the road down here, so.
Tita, trust him.
Over here, something. Yeah? Yes, come. Alright. Alright, that's your uncle live.
Really?
Yes, really.
But the house big, nice color. You must have money.
Anyway, may I leave, you know? I have to go somewhere right now. Remember, someone did meet me on the way, somewhere I did go, you know. But I just help you now. So
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Alright, madam.
Yeah.
Lulu,
Who that?
stand up. Is one out your side though? Is one out your side though?
Uncle?
Okay, I don't say that is saying we don't because it's not to neighbor is taking advantage of us.
Disadvantage. Nah, treat we good.
Every time we have a look ball playing and it go by money yard, the man say we have pick off in fruit.
So listen. Stop chat nonsense, Amaze. Is one out there?
Daddy saying we down here. You can't even pick up your phone and call him. Oh, I forgot to send change in chip, so you can't go get him.
So how your father for sending you down here? Sending you down here if you can't do what? Why don't you come down for do?
Can't
You
keep your...
can't stay with your car where you say you have flu.
Yeah, so me have flu.
Yeah.
You can't keep your company, you can't help you clean the big house where you have up there so. Say house big.
Listen, I don't want no company. It's only one company I want is a woman company. I don't want no, I'm not babysitting nobody.
You know that me have one white man figure? Do
Little boy, me ain't no size. Now tell me nothing about no woman.
Uncle, not you at all. Yeah, you get in that age. Just listen to me. Me have a woman, well, we have my teacher, she said she like me uncle.
Here what? I know I go stay here tonight. I know I go left a morning. I can't take no picnic in my yard.
Uncle!
Okay, thank you, uncle. Thank you. We'll stay here tonight and next year and to ready to go on.
Some reason me think say she and my brother picnic. Me not think say yeah, my brother picnic.
When you would say, you know what that say, man, we call your father is not your father. Come in here, they want to tell you. Talk them one another.
This is why I don't give him feet. Eh?
Bulla and bag juice.
You chat so much.
Eh? I know, say, you know, my mouth stink. That's why I chat. Oh, I forgot to say, me have a hurting.
But I can elevate uncle. Beg you?
Listen to me, man. Don't bother come torment me.
I can't give you one of my regulars.
What's that? Uncle. That's me.
You know, stay here for the night, but as the morning come, I just send them back down. Bear? Because I can't take no picnic in my yard.
I am my favorite uncle. Uncle, you talk to me rough.
Favorite uncle, favorite this, but listen, when it comes to my
Uncle.
boy, you're talking. No, uncle.
We have something to tell you.
What you have to tell me now, Sandakan? What you have to tell me?
You know, one lady when you candy.
Me tell you what them can do. You see, one Rasta giant lady. Imagine say daddy give him $50 for buy bag juice me and my brother and he should teefy. And pinch me up on the road and say, go on over there so your uncle live.
Uncle, you know, say, man, give me sister, man.
What you mean?
I true, she talk about me sex and my body cock up.
And the worst part, I think, if man say, do go, my sister. And my sister just 14-year-old. And when I look like a 45.
You know, I'm my niece and my nephew. But me make no stay so for the night. So, a morning, me okay no home. And the one candy, I will deal with her. Because me don't know how she fit in this child abusing business we do, you know. I need to... Come.
Then I dread.
Come.
You know, the worst thing is that child abuse, you know.
Boy, stop it nice, boy. Come. I don't know where you pack me up. Send you come up. You're in a jacket, you know, you're coming just like your dirty mama. No, the glad I'm taking because you're not on the whole time. You're not on especially you.
Oh, me hungry right now.
Hungry right now? So you
Kidney alright, right now. You can cook it.
take out one of your kidney and go cook it.
You want to fear kidney, oh, you know, so you can make a cookie.
I'm manners to my uncle, boy. Come.
You know what, that show want money? Show want money. I say, man, give him $50 for take him up.
Go in the blasted house, boy, you chat too much.
Fine time.
Listen. I go up on the road. I saw come. When stay in the yard. You hear me say? Don't come out. This is a gated community. Gated apartment. Right? Over there, sir, is my neighbor place. She don't like nice. You know, she don't want nobody bother. She don't go over there.
So no picking over there, we can't play. Can we go in here?
Listen to me. Stay in there, sir. In your sir. When I go with, by the way, when I go with the map.
You know what I'm saying? We have some things we want to show out there, so we go on.
Listen to me. Stay in here, sir. Don't go in my room, go play. Don't play in my room. Stay out here, sir. No, light no fire.
Your uncle, me a 14, so turn 17, me a big girl, so I know that.
Me know say you're a big picnic.
Me a 14, me understand.
You look older than 14.
Me a 24.
Boy, that be nice.
We are talking about uncle, not you make me in your say I'm a bad man.
Listen, I might have punk in your nose too.
Go on.
Stay in the yard now.
We said that uncle, go on. Make sure you have a KFC. 10-piece wings, barbecue.
3 packets of orange juice. That's all. Yeah, love you, favorite uncle.
Oi, may I come?
Listen to me, man. Come here, man, because I don't know. This is what you take my family for, you know. This is what you take my family for. Yeah?
Hold on there, may I come?
Listen. Come out there to me now.
I played me and wash up in a woman can call out my name, so I want now.
Listen to me, Miss Candy. Listen to me. I don't listen. Last night, my niece and my nephew come home to me, you know. And they tell me, say, you want to give her man. Is what you take me for, eh? What you take my niece and my nephew for? She didn't even reach nowhere yet. She now know if her if you take man, but you want to give her man. You want to know a prostitute, eh? Listen to me. This is my brother picking them, you know, and I love them dearly. And I don't want... She's a dirty woman. All my nephew tell me, say you take him $50. $50, Miss Candy, $50? Shame on you, man. And I'm here a good friend of the man. It's a name one thing, I just care police. I just carry a court. Carry a court and swear for every little mystery what you're making on the place. Eh?
Oh, Lord Jesus. Village liar. Me and you are friend from when? God. Me can't believe say you really have it in your head and think say me they give your niece, man. Eh?
It's what you tell me. It's what you tell me.
Village liar. Are you want make up it or she really tell us so because no goes up.
Then you mean to tell me say she not tell no lie for you. That little girl not tell no lie for you, Candy. And I'm so ashamed that you have to be you're a big woman, you know. You feel guide the little girl, not lead her in the park where you go already.
Village liar. You see, you and your niece and your nephew are lied. They come from the same vine. You hear? All of you know have the same blood trait running on your system. You are lied, your niece are lied, and your nephew are lied. After me see your niece and your nephew on the road, I walk and I look for you. Me take them and carry them from a fear yard. Give them something to eat before me even reach round there. And show them where you live. Village that you really believe your niece and me the girl, man. Me look like a prostitute to you. What you mean when they come talk about when me used to do, me not to put your niece in it. Village that you look at you. Look at you. Stupid boy. Wherever come on my yard, come ask if you lend him me money and then not have to give me back. You and your niece is one of a kind. You know what? Today is Sunday. I don't want to spin up myself. Me I'm going to go finish wash my plate then. You alright. Me not have no time for waste with you. I owe you.
Alright, Miss Candy, alright. I'm sure you have one car man and you feel like you're smart, you feel like you're up your life, you feel like you're rich because you have a little car man. Don't worry yourself, I have car woman too. Yeah?
What a way bun you.
Listen,
That's all you do is mind people business. And care news and make mystery.
your business done spoil already, everybody know you.
As long as I know your papa poily. Again, who to tell if no money you come for borrow. Go along your yard, me man a wait for me, me go cooking Sunday dinner. Me not no time to waste with you.
No, man, boy.
No, we don't have. Just go see if we're on the night for Jack. What is?
Ice cream.
It's the fun.
You know?
Oi! This one no, where I come from over there, so. Tanisha called me and we play one game named Half His Mind. So Tanisha give me half of everything because he never have any cream. Little boy, you think me born yesterday? Eh? You think me born yesterday? No, Tanisha. Sister Nablet. Sister Nablet. Sister Nablet. If you want to do it again, boy, you think me outside.
What is that for me, sister? Sister, Wallace.
Uncle. Oh, fight him up. Listen. Go back. Go. Yo, me now. No. Oh, I see why my brother have to send them up here. Oh no, some wild animal. Give me the woman. Give me this. You know what? Keep them. You see your uncle, you're a wicked, ugly man. And you see your children, my sister? Show yourself. God will bring you what you deserve. You know what? When we walk here road, because we have a clean shot. What? Oh yeah. What? Hold on. Come go home. I don't want to no father send no back up here now. I don't want to no back up here. Come go home now. You see what's like toy? You just come put on for my sister. Me breathe, you know. And we are talking about uncle. You know, uncle. Don't come near me, you know. I'm not afraid of you, you know. Hey boy, you say for one time I did that bad, me just kick you down the stage. And we are come, you think me afraid of you and that? See me, lick me if you think you're bad. I say, no, me mash up your faces. Me now put my tongue on you, so me I go gas station and done it, that's all.
No crosses. Don't make no put outside on back up here. I don't want to no back up here. You say that is nice, gated community. On the altar that. Me don't know is where on come from. On the don't come back here. Oh, don't make no put off rain car feel like if it's your home.
Daddy?
Daddy! I want to do back here. Want to really back at the back here. Me not sell no uncle and my brother. Want to do back there so quick. Want to do.
Daddy, if you ever know where go on, your one ugly brother, I'm wicked after me think some my favorite uncle. The man just start just beat with nothing at all. The man true me see him with this ugly next door neighbor suck out tongue and me and my brother Sander can look upon him. He just start pinch me up and box me up in my face. A PSL master, Daddy, from last night you send me down there, we don't eat nothing at all. Me a starve, me hungry. Look how me look. Me even start lose weight.
Jesus.
And me not have no weight and me a lose, me not have.
Me can't believe you're saying so wicked. Me can't believe it.
Daddy.
Me I wonder if curse or cross is the pound. Everyone who got a problem.
No, Daddy, are your brother, you know? Because your brother threw him one full of girl down in our house, and when we tell him say, if you have one woman, he want to tell you what you want. Girl have to get chopped. Me I say, what kind of chop? Because we know say, when we take up a walk, we chop out a door, you know. Daddy, when you check it out, you know, he might talk about man for 100 girl. I remember other day when I see my pants and I'm back that day, he talk about my pants. And him too, him and the teacher boy, come talk about me for wear my pants and enough girl go on me the entire day.
And guess what, Daddy? I tell me say I'm sorry, so me a 14, I should be 17, so you can chop me like mincemeat.
Jesus have mercy. Me a go down the team, you know. Me a go down the team. Yeah. Because I know so we mother grow we. And a matter of fact, when I come back in, me a forget that give up for adoption or something.
No, you can't do that. Because if you give up your addiction and worse than this, we have to clean toilet. We have to clean what we not see.
Alright, no come in.
Mama, who do not never left for me.
But you just build a business in a yard and make it own it.
Ah, true, come.
And people say that when you hear them for head and make it own it.
Alright, no come.
Well, I say no love with Mommy, what do you do with this?
No come, go on in.
Wicked father, boy, you want to give me a fair adoption. Now look how I favor you.
Station, me are going to lock up for me yard for me right now. Me are going to the station, you know.
Oh, hold on, Sister Nablet, is what happened?
Is what happened? They rob me up there, and they take them dunks and hungry. Only thing they take out of me one and a ripe banana, and me milk, couple little fruits, if make me smoothie for me man chop him back, you know. And I go to the station, me are going to come tell her say hurt me, you know.
My thing.
So just lock up the place.
Hold on, Sister Nablet. Don't do anything rational. You know, I saw the thieves when I was coming in earlier, because I just come in from out the road. When I was coming in earlier, I come in and I noticed that the door is open. And I said, no, this is not Miss Navlet. This is not normally Miss Navlet. When I look, I saw this black boy looking in my eyes. So, and I end up, I have to see, you know, I have black belt in karate, right?
Yes, I know that.
Him show so. And I go like this. Oh. It was so epic.
So why you didn't call me?
Listen, I was, listen, Navlet. I pop up a boy, you see. I pop him up.
So why you didn't call me? I feel me place in the English that call me, give me a phone call, my phone always depend on me. I say, Navi, somebody in your place. And then tell me when me I come here, they say, no, this area is very secure. No robbers, no thieves, nobody will come here.
Listen, I noticed the man was here, so I didn't want to get involved and come and call you. I noticed the room was locked too. But him escaped with the banana. It's just with the banana that.
You should have never left him live with me banana. What about the milk? What about the milk? What about the banana? What about the little fruits? If you hear him and you go and you see me, I should take it back.
Listen to me, Sister Noblet. I'm not the government, you know. I can't promise you. The amnesty will be free and everybody will be good. Listen.
You see like how you know the thief come by the police station and make me describe.
No man, listen.
My mouth,
listen, what I say me saying, my mouth now gonna put me in a problem. Next thing police them down there, them know the thief and bring the thief.
Maybe make the police come then you describe them for me.
I'm not doing it, Sister Noblet.
Me man.
Sister Noblet.
Just I said come.
Hold on, Sister Noblet. The thief know my face. And if I go down the station, next thing the police them I'm friend and then come shoot me, kill me. I don't want that. So listen, listen, Sister Noblet. I have some banana in my fridge. You can get some, and I have an extra one. You can get it too if you want.
You have milk?
One. It's long, eh?
You have milk?
I have milk. This milk is good for you.
Go down to the station.
Come on, this milk is good for you and it's good for your face. So you see? Come on, this is just 2 bananas, you know. It's 2 bananas, man.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Hello, madam.
Hello. Well, if running here, so.
What's your uncle name?
Him name Village Lawyer.
As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
You know what? You know my niece and my nephew. But me make no stay so for the night. So a morning, you carry no home. And the one Candy, I will deal with her. Cause me don't know how she fit in this child abusing business we do, you know. I need to
Then I tried.
Come.
You know the worst thing is that child abuse, you know.
Boy, stop it nice, boy. Come. I don't know where you pack him up. Send you come up and you're in a jacket, you know, you're coming just like your dirty mama.
Don't come, Mama. Don't do that.
Listen.
Uncle, don't do it.
Come, you know. Since I said.
What is it? So hold on. So ask him, say, how much?
It's so like, you know, say, don't show me, you know. Did I say my sister?
Alright, Dalton.
Jump on it.
Alright, Dalton. That's what I say. Alright, you know what? You know, I'm in nephew, I'm in niece. I mean, I make nothing bad happen on the road.
Right,
Come on, make it.
catch me with face.
Alright, make it close. Alright, so now I'm in niece, I'm in nephew, I mean, I make nothing bad happen to me, right? You know, and after.
Listen to me. You don't stay here for the night, but as the morning come, I just send them back down. You hear? Because I can't take no picnic in my yard.
I am my favorite uncle. Uncle, you talk to me rough.
Favorite uncle, favorite this. But listen, when it comes to uncle. Boy, I'm talking. No, uncle.
We have something to tell you.
What you have to tell me now, Sandakan? What you have to tell me? Well, listen. What you gonna tell him about? You see the lady? You know how we find a yard?
You know what name him Candy?
I'll tell him one lie upon Candy. Me get him in and say, Uncle. That's ready now, action.
Uncle.
This way your uncle, this way you have to tell me.
You know one lady when him Candy?
Me tell you what him can do. You see, one Rasta giant lady. Imagine say daddy give him $50 for buy bag juice me and my brother and she thiefy. And pinch her up on the road and say, go on over there so your uncle live.
My name even I give my sister man.
But my body looks sexy and my body cock up.
Go back.
No, anybody know, me pass through, yeah. Yes, wait.
Get yourself closer. They want to get you when you say Batty. And if you turn around and show him Batty too. Wait, no, go back. Yeah, man.
Come here, sir.
So go back from... Wait. Go back from say... He might give me sister man. And you say, yeah, she pinch up the Batty. Wait. And him ready. And him slow.
Talk up.
Right now, action now.
Uncle, you know say my sister man.
What you mean?
I true shall talk about my sex and my body cock up.
And the worst part I tell you, this man say do good, my sister. And my sister just 14-year-old. And you look like a 45.
What is it? So hold on. So ask you to say, yeah, how much?
So like, you know, say, don't go show me, you know. Did I tell me shit?
Alright, Dalton.
That's what I'm like.
Alright, you know what? You know, I'm a nephew, I'm a niece. I mean, I make nothing bad happen on the road.
Right,
Come on, make it know.
Catch me, please.
Alright, make it close. Alright, so now I'm a niece, I'm a nephew, I make nothing bad happen to me, you know. Ready now, and after.
You know what? You know I'm a niece, I'm a nephew. But I know make nothing bad happen to you. You know, stay here tonight and then me carry on with my man. You see?
Well, listen now, Alton. Say now. And the Miss Candy, I will see her and we'll have good conversation with her because I don't understand why she in this child abuse business. Ready now, an action.
Alright. You know what? You know I'm a niece, I'm a nephew. But me make you stay here for the night. So, a morning, you carry on. And the one Candy, I will deal with her. Because we don't know how she fit in this child abusing business we do, you know. I need to come.
Shouldn't dread.
Come.
You know the worst thing is that child abuse, you know.
Boy, stop it nice, boy. Come. I don't know where you pack him up. Send him up. You're in a jacket in there, you're coming just like your dirty mama.
Don't come, Mama. Don't do that.
This come, you know what? Since you know I go read for yourself.
Well, listen, Alton. Wally, count up me back with that. Yeah, man. Why your pants on the bottom?
You know what I say? I treat Elias pull out, daddy. The lace pull out of my shirt.
Alright. Pull up your pants, man.
Alright.
Me just a come from a mask in the yard.
Yes, guys.
Zane?
Yes, guys.
Because I'm going to ask him why him have to beat you know, and me not give him no authority for lick you know. And me get to understand, say, I say, him no lick you know, I go down and farm, go broke him cane. How that go?
Daddy, you remember Master Jabbo? Miss Jabbo? The Rasta man there, him turn to Skinny and say, Daddy, his father go bust head. And that's why I come with him in light tongue because you know what a bust head, Daddy. Bust head for we.
Yeah, man, bad.
Alright, hold on. Yeah, man, he's bad.
No, put body. So yeah, me I say it to you, sir.
Wait, so what you just say? When you get in there?
So you mean if you say somebody sick when indeed a beat you know, and the person say him a go inform upon him.
Yeah.
So that's why him tell me like say he never beat you know.
Yeah.
That
So you mean that somebody really swear him like you know? I don't do nothing about it.
He do something about it because he hold up him and jape him and box him and say, you know what, my friend Pitney a beat. Remember say a lion showing so you know.
Alright, come to see.
I have to spin up like them.
But me not understand, can you never tell me all of this?
Daddy, the way how me get it, he beat in front of him with the machine, me couldn't tell you.
You remember?
You remember, Daddy?
And he beat on that. I said,
He beat me. I don't want to say feeling. Me couldn't remember the one day. Come now have the one day again.
I mash up my watch where you're biking.
I mash up my Gucci slippers when me there, bro.
I say, in life, they say we all rely on things, you know, what they want me What you cry? Thing, brother. Well, I see the same much for a cup around there, you know.
I don't purpose. Me I don't care about it. We come.
What's up, man?
He don't drink with that. And the cup, the pan come, everybody else look fake. Me I say.
You take the cup?
Yeah, and the cup pop. So me I go carry on Thursday, me I come back. Yeah.
You make your cup up.
Brookie. But maybe I use the cup.
So me I carry.
Enough money. Probably.
Me I go carry back cup. Me I carry back some plastic cup. Brand new. Me I go buy them.
Plastic cup?
No. What? Replace it.
You don't measure?
Yeah, replace. That's it.
Yeah, because it's a double fee one glass. Because it's 3 plastic cup me I buy.
How much triple?
What plastic still can make glass?
Me never say so, mama, but it double hit. Somebody else can get 3, somebody else can use. That is it.
But plastic cup melt.
No, but I find an excuse. And a plastic cup.
I fight time when I touch it, see me lick up your hand. And you still go to touch your hand, Jack.
Alright, come back, Alton. Come feel like show them.
action.
Intro.
Red.